So they said this is some of the worst dangerous areas of Guatemala City, the ones you would call a slum. It's not really a slum though, like in the Philippines or other countries, but it's where most poor people live. They say that it's dangerous, but so far I haven't seen anything bad. You just gotta be careful. Maybe at night it's dangerous, but in daytime I think it's okay as long as you walk with people that know you. I don't see any tourists here or any people from other country walking around here. It's just locals. I think it's dangerous at night, but in the day it looks fine. As long as you walk with other people that know the area, you will be okay. So we are doing some shopping for lunch. Yeah, they invited us to eat. The way they eat here in Guatemala. Everything is simple, but it's good.
Para basura, para ratas, cucarachas, mira que clara y pegamosa. Así con los trapeadores, así con los trapeadores.
So in Guatemala you have to go every day to the market to get your food. Look at all the tomatoes here. Wow.
¡Qué lindo está el rábano! ¡Tengo de a dos! ¡Tengo de a dos!
Vale, 5 vale, llegó el bosque colombiano. Se va a llevar a 4.
Wow, look at the meat.